Hi guys, thought it'd be really fun to just do an activity today. We are going to be making volcanoes. And now we are going to start with a cookie sheet and a cup in the middle of the cookie sheet because we don't want it all over the place. And I know some people like to take like Play-Doh and make their own little volcano so it looks like a real volcano. This is a different recipe that I've never tried before, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. So usually you just use baking soda and vinegar. This one, it just calls for 3/4 of a cup of hot water with your favorite food coloring color in it. I put sky blue because it's my favorite. And then it asks to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the water ahead of time. So we're gonna put that in there. And then the weird step is 5 drops of dish soap. And I guess this is supposed to add like a bubble effect. So let's do that one. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of hard to control the size of those drops. And then we just take our vinegar and just start pouring it in. So let's see, I'm nervous it's not gonna work. Let's see if it works. Pretty cool, huh guys? Just be sure to keep it on a cookie sheet and it can just rinse right down the drain. Pretty easy cleanup. And I have a tendency to do this in the classroom with the kids over and over and over and over and over again. We always run out of supplies right away. Let's try and see if it'll keep going. And it smells good because of the soap. That is a good recipe. Let me see pictures if you guys end up trying to try it at home. I'd love to see pictures in the comments of you trying this. But we will be posting some more activities this week. And I hope you guys are having a great day and staying healthy. Thanks guys, bye.